We are not afraid to die if we can all be together, part 5. Now, for them, January 6th brought a great respite, and the wind eased. And Suzanne had made a beautiful card for the parents, and she brought and he read it. Then he checked and rechecked my calculations. The narrator he checked and rechecked his calculations. We had lost our main compass, and I was using a spare which had not been corrected for magnetic variation. And unluckily, they naturally they lost their compass also, and he was using a spare one which did not have, which was not corrected, adjusted for magnetic changes. Variation means changes. I made an allowance for this and another estimate of the influence of the westerly currents which flow this part of the Indian Ocean. एंड ही मेड सम अलाउंस, उसने दोबारा से उसको डिस्काउंट मीन्स उसने उसको छूट पे देखा, दूसरे को देखा और एक और एस्टिमेट बनाया और देखा कि वेस्टर्ली करेंट्स जो वहाँ से मूव करती हैं वो कितना इन्फ्लुएंस करेंगी उनको. About 2 p.m. I went on deck and asked Larry to steer a course of 185 degrees. Then he told Larry to steer means to move towards 185 degrees. If we were lucky, I told him with the conviction. Conviction means strong belief, firm belief. I did not feel he could expect to see the island at about 5 p.m. एंड देन ही टोल्ड लैरी कि अगर हम थोड़े से भी लकी रहे और मेरा कन्विक्शन है, उसका फर्म बिलीफ है, अगर हम 185 डिग्रीज हम डायरेक्शन को चेंज करके चले तो हम 5 बजे तक उन आइलैंड्स पर आइल एम्स्टर्डम तक पहुंच जाएंगे. Then, with a heavy heart, I went below, climbed on my bunk, and amazingly dozed off. And then, with heavy heart. Heavy heart means with naturally with a painful heart. He was not at all happy. He went below. He went to his bunk, to his berth, and surprisingly, he dozed off. He slept. When I woke, it was 6 p.m. And when the narrator woke up, it was 6 and growing dark. It was again growing dark. I knew we must have missed the island, and with the sail we had left, we couldn't hope to beat back into the westerly winds. And he was damn sure that they must have missed the island, and with the sail we had left, और जिस तरह का sail उन्होंने छोड़ा है, जिस तरह की speed उनकी थी, boat का जो condition था, then they will not be able to move ahead. At that moment, a tousled head means untidy hair. Okay. It refers to a disarranged hair of author's son. At that moment, tousled head appeared by my bunk. Bunk में जोनाथन आता है. Can I have a hug? He says, जोनाथन अपने पापा से कहता है क्या मैं आपको hug करूं, क्या मैं आपको embrace करूं. Sue was right behind him. Why am I getting a hug now? I asked. Because you are the best daddy in the whole world and the best captain, my son replied. और उसके son ने कहा कि because you are the best daddy, not only that, you are the best captain. Not today, John, I'm afraid. The narrator said, not today. Please don't say today because they were in a worse position. Why you must be, said Sue in a matter-of-fact voice. You found the island. Susan said, why you deserve it because you found the island. What? I shouted. It's out there in front of us, they chorused. Chorused means they said together that it is lying there. The islands were ahead of them. As big as a battleship. इतने बड़े थे जितना battleship होता है. I rushed on the deck और एकदम से narrator he goes to the deck and gazed with relief at the stark outline of Isle Amsterdam and he looked fixedly. Gazed means लगातार देखना, looked continuously, fixedly with relief, एक relief के साथ उन्होंने उसकी outline देखी island की. Stark means complete outline, he says edges देखी island की. इट वॉज ओनली अ ब्लीक पीस ऑफ वॉल्केनिक रॉक. वो एक बेयर छोटा सा मतलब ओनली बेयर एम्प्टी पीस ऑफ वॉल्केनिक रॉक का एक आइलैंड था विद लिटिल वेजिटेशन. उसमें बहुत कम वेजिटेशन प्लांटेशन थी. द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल आइलैंड इन द वर्ल्ड एंड ही सॉ दैट इट वॉज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. We anchored offshore for the night and then they lowered their anchor. Anchored means उन्होंने वहीं पर अपने शिप को रोका नाइट के लिए. And the next morning all 28 inhabitants of the island cheered as they helped us ashore. और next morning जितने भी 28 inhabitants जो भी scientists उस island पे होंगे they cheered them, they welcomed them on the shore. With land under my feet again और दोबारा से लैंड को अपने पैरों के नीचे देखकर my thoughts were full of Larry and Herbie, cheerful, optimistic, under the direst stress. And he were very, his thoughts were for Larry and Herbie. They were so cheerful, they remained so happy, they remained so optimistic, they remained so hopeful under the direst stress, under the direst means most serious stress they were having. Pressure में भी कैसे लैरी और हर्ब ने उनका साथ दिया. And of Mary, who stayed at the wheel for all those crucial hours. And he was thankful to his wife also, who stayed at the wheel for those important hours. Most of all, I thought of a 7-year-old girl who did not want us to worry about a head injury, which subsequently took 6 minor operations to remove a recurring blood clot between skin and the skull. And then he thought of his daughter, 7-year-old girl, who did not worry when she was having a head injury. Or then he told के how her injury was removed, उसके जो head में जो clot बैठ गया था. Clot means lump, blood का जो वो एक lump सा बन गया था. And how it took 6 operations to remove that recurring. Again and again that clot was forming. उसको remove करने के लिए 6 months 6 operations लगे. And of course, of a 6-year-old boy who was not afraid to die. And of course, a 6-year-old boy, Jonathan, who was not afraid to die. So this was all about great and the risky and the most adventurous journey of the narrator and his wife Mary, son, and daughter, and of course Larry and Herbie. I hope you have understood. Thank you. God bless you.